Hello students, welcome to AJ Mathematics and Science. So today we will continue with chapter AP, chapter number 10, 10th standard ICSE. So I just read the statement. If 5th and 6th term of AP are respectively 6 and 5, find the 11th term. Find the 11th term of AP. So how to solve such type of question? To solve such type of question, where we have to find the particular term, sometimes they will ask to find the AP, sometimes they will ask find the common difference and first term under some conditions. So how will you start such type of question? We have to start with these two lines, but we have to write let first term of AP is small a and common difference is small d. Then according to question what is given, fifth term is given 6. Fifth term, in the previous video we have done fifth term, we can write a plus 4d by using this formula Tn equal to a n minus 1d. So fifth term we can write a plus 4d equal to 6, and sixth term we can write a plus 5d equal to 5. So here we get two equations in a and d. So we just solve these two equations. These two are the simultaneous equation in a and d, and we can solve by any method, substitution method, elimination method, any method. So I just solve these two equations, a plus 4d equal to 6, a plus 5d equal to 5, by subtracting. You just change the sign, a cancel, here we get minus d equal to 1 and value of d we get minus 1. Now how we can get the value of a? To find the value of a, we just fill the value of d in equation 1. Put d equal to minus 1 in equation first. You can put in second equation also. Equation first, the value of d is minus 1. So a minus 4 equal to 6. A equal to 6 plus 4 equal to 10. So here we get the value of a and d. So now they ask find the 11th term. So 11th term is a plus 10d. So what is the value of a? 10. What is the value of d? Minus 1. So 10 minus 10 equal to 0. So like this we get the 11th term. Sometimes they will ask find the AP. Sometimes they will ask find the particular term. Sometimes they will ask find the first term and the common difference. So same way we have to solve such type of questions. Under given condition we have to make two simultaneous equation in a and d and solve these two equations by any method and get the value of a and d. So students, please note down this. So students, one more question. What is given in this question? First term is given 7 and number of terms are 60, and the last term is given 125. If the number of terms are 60, then last term means 60th term is the last term. That's why I have written T60 equal to 125. So T60 we can write a plus 59d equal to 125. So here we will fill the value of a. What is the value of a? 7. And get the value of d. The value of d we got 2. Now he asked to find the 31st term. So T31st means a plus 30d. Fill the value of a and d and get the value of 31st term. So students, please note down this. So students, one more question. In this question what they ask, here AP is given, this is the AP. We have to find the 10th term from the end. यानी कि पीछे से 10th term पता करते हैं. For that what we have to do, you just reverse the sequence. यानी कि last term को first बना दो, इसको उल्टा कर दो. 254, then 14, then 9, then 4. Now the first term become 254 and d we can find from any two terms. यानी कि मैंने इन दोनों में से d फाइंड पता कर लिया. कैसे? आगे वाली टर्म से पीछे वाली टर्म माइनस करूंगा. 9 minus 14. 9 minus 14 equal to minus 5. So now I will find the 10th term. मैंने उल्टा करके 10th term पता कर ली है. That is the 10th term from the end. So that's why I have written T10th means 10th term from end. A plus 9d. Fill the value of a 254 and d minus 5 and get the answer 200. 109. So students, please note down this. So students, one more question. In this question we have to find, this is the AP 21, 18, 15, and we have to find minus 81 is the which term of this AP, यानी कि minus 81 कौन से नंबर पे आएगी. As we proceed, as we see, numbers are decreasing. 21 के बाद 18, 15 ऐसे कम होता होता 0 हो जाएगा, 0 के बाद नेगेटिव होगा. तो minus 81 कौन से नंबर पे आएगा, that we have to find. So here A is 21, B we can find second minus first, and minus 81 we will take as a Tn and apply formula A plus n minus 1D equal to Tn. Fill the value of Tn, A and D and get the value of n, and we get 35. So it means minus 81 is the 35th term of AP. 35th term of AP. So students, now we have to check. साथ ही में है continue part of this question, but we have to check कि 0 is the term of this sequence or not. यानी कि आगे जाते जाते कम होते होते 0 आएगी कि नहीं आएगी, that we have to check. Again A is 21, B is second minus first minus 3, 0 will take as a Tn. So now again we'll apply the formula A plus n minus 1D equal to Tn. The value of A is 21, n minus 1, D minus 3 equal to 0, 21 minus 3n plus 3 equal to 0, 24 minus 3. So n equal to 24 divided by 3 equal to 8. So it means the value of n is a integer, positive integer, and value of n is a positive integer. It means 0 is the term of this sequence, and which term, कौन से number वाली term है, that is the 8th term. So students, you have to note down this question. So these type of question you will get in the first exercise of AP. So try to solve first exercise, and next exercise we will continue in the next video. Thank you very much.